Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening the PDF in a reader that supports text search. This gets you straight to work. Once opened, make sure text is selectable. Try dragging to highlight a word. If text won't highlight, run OCR now because search will otherwise fail. Use the reader's OCR or a quick external app. Do this first to avoid wasted effort. After OCR completes, save or export a searchable copy so you can continue with accurate word searches. Now perform the search itself. Press Ctrl+F or CMD+F for a quick find. Once you need precision, open the Advanced Search panel, often Ctrl+Shift+F. Use quotes for exact phrases and wildcards like an asterisk to catch variations. Toggle case sensitivity when necessary. You can also limit scope by page range, bookmarks, or annotations to narrow results and save time. As you scan matches, use the reader. Finish by saving your findings. Highlight matches, add comments, or export selected text to a note file so you keep context. If the search misses expected words, rerun OCR at a higher accuracy or test the file in another reader to rule out encoding problems. Make sure you have a backup before running any replace operations. Find and replace can alter meaning unexpectedly. If problems persist, convert the PDF to plain text and search there as a last resort to confirm results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.